everyone, and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, my name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and today I'm going to be sharing my Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging with you today. So it's actually been a very long time since I've had an Ipsy subscription. I haven't had one since before they even had the different tiers that you could get. So it was all samples back then, so I ended up canceling. I had a ton of bags and a ton of samples, but I re-signed up because Bailey Sarian, one of my all-time favorite beauty influencers ever, had a eyeshadow collab happening this month, and it's in the bag, or it was an option to choose to go in the bag. Of course, I chose it so I could get the eyeshadow palette. So spoiler alert, that's one of the things in here, but I'm going to be doing swatches with a finger. I also have a brush so we can see how it performs, and let's just jump right into the bag. So here's what it looks like, a branded pink bag, and my glue started to come undone, so it's super easy to open. So reaching in. First item is a crushed box. What is this? It says Complex Culture. I think this is the brush. Yep, this is the brush. So there it goes. It does say that it is vegan and cruelty-free, 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish, which does feel very nice. Luxuriously dense Syntech bristles. So let's see that. It is gorgeous. I love the metal with the matte gray. That is very nice, very soft. I am excited to use this. I don't usually use powder products, but I will slap a large area of a bronzer on my face if it means using this gorgeous thing. Love that. So that was a choice item. I did choose that item because with the Glam Bag second tier, you get to choose 3 of your 5 full size. So here is the Venice Fling. This is the collab palette. So there it is, gorgeous packaging. So it's Bailey Sarian collab with Estate, and it's in a sleeve. There we go. Matches there. And then for a peek inside, there are the beautiful colors. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything else out of the bag, and then we'll dive into some swatches. So I think everything else is in this pink drawstring bag. Yep, so tossing that. This item is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick. I think so, a liquid lipstick. It's gotta be a liquid lipstick, right? And then it's in the color Feminist. That is beautiful, and it looks like it'd be right up my alley. I am going to look at some swatches first though. If it's super similar to something I already have, then I'm going to set that aside to gift to someone else. I would love to try the Huda Beauty formula though, because I have never tried it. Build your perfect bag. The future is yours. Okay, so this is talking about the program where you can add items to your bag. And then 2 items in here. This is the Wander Beauty Clear. I think this is the brow gel. Yep, that's the brow gel. Ooh, I love that super teeny tiny conical style brush. Smells like a mascara-y kind of product. I know Wander Beauty, there's kind of like this ongoing joke about how it's always in the subscription beauty boxes, but I really needed a clear brow gel, so I'm happy to see this. And then the final item is this Beauty for Real. They look like cream eyeshadow sticks. Ever Starstruck shadow sticks. Yep. So there's 2 of them here. There's like a light pinky champagne and then a more golden champagne color. I'm not going to open this. I don't use shadow sticks all that often, and the ones that I already have are in these colors. So I'm gonna set this aside so that I can gift it to someone else. All right, so that was everything. diving into the Sarian Venice Fling palette. It's got a good size mirror. I love the design throughout the whole thing. All right, so I'm gonna pull my sleeve back and do it on my arm, starting with sole. 1, 2, 3. Oof, that's pretty. So that's a finger swatch there, and I'll show a close-up once I get them all up. Already losing my brush. Make sure it's clean of any other colors, because I did not do that before I sat down. All right, so there we go. There's Soul and Bonfire. Oof, that color is so pretty. I love that corally color. That's pretty. I like that. That'll be really pretty blown out in the crease. We've got Rose Tattoo. That's really pretty too. There's the brush. Next is Tan Lines. It's a really nice color. Ooh, I like the way that showed up. That one showed up pretty much just as well with the brush. Then we have Ocean Avenue. Oof, that's gorgeous. I love the red undertone to that. Basically just as good with the brush. Wow. All right, next is Toasty, and then I might have to move on to my other arm. Gorgeous, love that, like a warm brownie color. Okay, there we go. And the final 3 colors, I'll switch arms here. We have Roller Skates. There we go. There's that one. That one doesn't seem to apply as strongly with the brush, but all of the other ones so far have. This one is Puppy Love. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There we go. And then the final color is Venice Fling. I'm trying to tell what kind of color this is. I did watch her launch video, but it's been a bit between that and actually receiving the palette. That's beautiful. So it's like a blackened chocolate brown. So I am going to take you outside so I can show you the close-up on all of these swatches. All of them are finger swatch first, then brush swatch. So let's go do that. So that is the swatches in the sunlight. Hopefully you found that helpful. I'm not sure how long the palette is going to be available for, but hopefully it's for a while, because this palette is going to be so good for every season of the year, honestly. But I feel like these colors are going to be so good for fall and winter and spring and summer. Duh, but a lot of these colors are going to be really good for fall, and I cannot wait to play with it. It's such a beautiful palette. Love the packaging, love the shadows, love the quality. I couldn't be more happy for Bailey. I mean, she seems like such a cool, down-to-earth person. Love her personality, love her videos. Anyways, so the whole subscription bag itself, what are my final thoughts? So I only subscribed to get this palette, and I got the palette, so I'm freaking thrilled. Everything else was honestly just an extra because I would have paid the $25 for this alone. So I'm glad to have it. This brush is freaking phenomenal. I will probably just sit and rub this on my skin. That's probably weird, but this brush is weirdly luxurious feeling. And then I needed clear eyebrow gel anyway, so that was a huge bonus. And while I'll probably, like I said, I'm gonna look at swatches for this, be gifting both of these away. I mean, I love that. That's one of the reasons why I get subscription services, so that I can get really cool things that may not work for me, but make great gifts for others. So totally, hands down, 100% worth the money. I think I'm going to stick around and get another bag or two and see if it'll work for me, and if I'm gonna stick around for the long haul and keep getting this box or bag, sorry, I'm saying box, nothing here except for the individual products were in boxes. I feel like this was a phenomenal deal. So those are my thoughts on it. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see any further videos on anything here, let me know. I would love to oblige with any request. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like I mentioned in my last video, I have quite a few subscriptions coming in right now. So if you haven't seen my other unpackagings, make sure you look at my recent videos. I do have some other subscription services there, not even just beauty either. So definitely do that. You can click the notification bell if you like to be notified when your subscriptions go live, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this gorgeous palette, and let me know what your favorite item that came in mine is yours favorite. Does that make sense? Let me know if you get the Ipsy Glam Bag or what you got this month. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. I can't wait to chat with you again soon. Bye.